In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and effectively use the Temu platform. Whether you're hunting for the perfect purchase or just browsing for fun, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you make the most out of your Temu experience. Let's dive right in. First up, you'll want to head over to the Temu website. You can easily do this by opening your web browser and typing in the Temu website address. Once you're there, you'll notice an array of products displayed on the homepage. Temu is known for its wide range of items, so whether you're into electronics, fashion, or even home goods, there's a little something for everyone. It's all about exploration here, so take your time and have a look around. Next, as you browse through the various products, go ahead and click on one that catches your eye. This step is about diving deeper into the details of a particular product. After clicking, you'll be taken to a dedicated page for that item where you can gather all the information you might need. On this product page, you'll usually find a detailed description, price, and even some customer reviews. Reviews can be especially helpful if you're unsure about the quality or usability of an item. They provide insights directly from other shoppers who have purchased the same product. Now, as you're scrolling through this product page, keep an eye out for the product details section. This is where you'll find comprehensive information about the item, including any specifications or features that might be important in your decision-making process. Once you've reviewed the product details and have decided you like what you see, look for a button that says Save. Clicking this button will add the item to your saved list. This is a super handy feature if you're still in the deliberation phase and want to come back to the item later. It's like bookmarking a page for future reference, making it easy to find your favorites quickly without having to search all over again. And just like that, you're all set. You've successfully navigated through selecting and saving products on Temu. Wasn't that simple? With these straightforward steps, you can efficiently manage your shopping list and make informed decisions with ease. Plus, this method of saving items lets you compare your options at your convenience, right when you want to make a purchase or just whenever you feel like browsing. So whether you're a seasoned online shopper or new to the world of e-commerce, I hope this guide has made your journey a bit smoother. Remember, shopping online should be a fun and hassle-free experience. And with Temu, it certainly can be. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.